Welcome to our channel, Creative Routines of Famous Writers and Artists. Today we are going to talk about the sacrifice routine of the writer Franz Kafka. Franz Kafka had an excellent time working at the Institute of Industrial Accident Insurance in Prague in 1908, thanks to the single-shift policy. Despite the significant improvement compared to his previous work, Kafka was still frustrated. He lived in a cramped house, where he could only concentrate on writing at the end of the night when everyone else was asleep. He wrote to his girlfriend Felice Bauer in 1912, "Time is short, my strength is limited, the work is a horror, the flat is noisy, and if I cannot have a pleasant and simple life, I must shrug it off intelligently." Kafka's working hours were 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 3 p.m., followed by lunch from 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m., and then he slept in bed. Although Kafka got a better job at the Institute of Industrial Accident Insurance in Prague in 1908, where he had a single-shift system, which meant working from 8 or 9 a.m. to 2 or 3 p.m., he still felt frustrated. He lived in a cramped apartment where he could only write late at night while everyone was asleep, and he worked long hours. Kafka wrote to his lover, Felice Bauer, in 1912, "Time is short, my strength is limited, the work is a horror, the apartment is noisy, and if it is not possible to have a pleasant and simple life, I will have to dodge her through subtle maneuvers." Kafka's working hours were from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. in the office, followed by lunch until 3 p.m. or 3:30 p.m., after which he slept in bed. In 1908, Kafka took a job at the Institute of Industrial Accident Insurance in Prague, where he worked a single-shift schedule from 8 or 9 a.m. until 2 or 3 p.m. Although the position was much better than his previous job, Kafka was still frustrated. He lived in a cramped apartment where he could concentrate on writing only at night when everyone else was asleep. Kafka wrote to Felice Bauer in 1912, "Time is short, my strength is limited, the work is a horror, the apartment is noisy, and if it is not possible to have a pleasant and simple life, I will have to dodge it by maneuvers subtle." He reported about his working hours: in the morning, 8 or 9 a.m., 3 or 3:30 p.m. at the office, then lunch until 5 or 5:30 p.m., and then I slept in bed. Thank you for watching until the end. Add the channel. Press the bell to receive updates. Tell me if you liked it. Comment. Share.